Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to enter the safe mode on this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To turn it off, press and hold the power button, keep holding it until you see the power menu on the screen, and once the menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off option and then tap on it again to confirm and turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together and keep holding them until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them. Once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the buttons and wait. And after a couple of seconds, the phone should boot into recovery menu. Now, you can move through this menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons, and you can confirm the selections by pressing the power button. But you can also use the touch screen, so you can tap on the options if you want to. Now, let's select the save mode option. And once you do select it, the phone will restart and it should boot into save mode. So let's wait. As you can see, we booted into save mode. You can tell by this writing at the bottom of the screen. And what the save mode does is basically it disables all third-party applications on your phone. So only the system applications will be enabled in this mode. And this allows you, for example, to troubleshoot your phone. So if something is not working and you're not sure if it's the fault of the application, some kind of application, you can enter the save mode and see if it's causing the problems. Okay. And to exit the save mode, simply press and hold the power button. Keep holding it until the power menu appears on the screen. And once it does, tap on the restart option and tap on it again to confirm. And wait until the phone is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back into system in normal mode because the save mode writing is gone. And that's how you enter the save mode on this phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.